Welcome back. Today, guys, we're gonna fix something pretty crucial on the TI. Hit it, Zach. So, if you followed the series, you'll know we put the whole car together, and it was great. And we found out it doesn't have second at all. So, kind of annoying. Third crunch is like nobody's business. Yeah, we've put almost 1,000 miles on it. So we've tested it. We've already done a few things. Fan airflow meter that came on it. The lovely hillbillies that we got it from just they fixed it themselves.
Oh, they did.
So I actually moved it. I don't remember, but that we changed that. Now it runs better. The idle air control valve is still pretty screwy. We fixed some gaskets. We've done a whole bunch of like tiny things. I went through and replaced the blown rear speakers back there with some nice Kenwoods and some JBL tweeters. That's been great. But today it is time to install our $100 transmission and find out if the $100 transmission, if you spend $100 more, then free will be better. It's gotta be. You spend $100.
Now, it won't grind in third, but it'll grind in second.
That's right, and that's okay.
Go into second.
That's what we want. We're kind of, I've been really tired of driving this thing and getting it's so slow in third. It's great in fourth, great in fifth.
But
Absolutely tired of that. So today we're going to do the lovely transmission swap. So we don't know how hard it's going to be. We already know from installing it on the engine when we had it in that it's not going to be fun, especially the starter bolts. We also have to remove the intake to get to the top, but other than that, pretty exciting day.
it's exciting.
So we're gonna go ahead and get covered in oil and get into it. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead and lower it down some. Keep going. Keep turning. Here we go.
You going down?
Yep.
Alright, the useless garbage is now out of the vehicle. Which at some point in time we're gonna have fun and pop that open so we can look at the lack of second gear. So the only thing we gotta do is transfer those over.
Yep.
We stripped this transmission for what we needed. We also found an actually good throwout bearing in the sedan because this one was bad and so was the one that came with this transmission. So this one's like, it's better.
It's just better.
It's cheap. It's a cheap one though, but better than nothing. So Zach and I are going to manhandle this slightly better transmission.
I have high hopes.
And then we gotta fix the exhaust because it was a Tom Pat's job. Yeah, we already know about the muffler and yada yada. But yeah, I'm gonna throw it in. Two for the exhaust. We wrapped it way better this time, and we followed the instructions. Transmission's in, and the drive line's in, and now we just gotta install the bracket and the few hoops and.
I gotta tighten down the carrier bearing.
Yeah.
We put the bracket in.
Yeah.
Two brackets. The
Yeah.
one that's in the back and the one that supports the transmission, and then it's muffler.
Muffler time. And then we gotta reassemble the shit under the hood.
Yes, and then we get to find out, have we gained or lost any gears?
We're exchanging
all the
gears. We're exchanging gears. Okay, so we wanted to show you what comes out because we don't know yet, and we didn't actually record us doing that, and it was probably one of the most insane things I think I've ever witnessed coming out of a transmission. It was just silver, which that's how we knew from the very beginning that that transmission was very dead. Loctite. Alright. Don't get too carried away, my friend.
On the floor! No.
Hey, look at that.
Wow, it's not silver.
It's a fluid color.
There wasn't much in there, though.
No.
I'm glad we didn't take it for a spin.
Alright, it's all together. It's all together. We're gonna just start it on the stands and see if we have every single gear.
Oh yeah, I lost everything. Anyways.
Alright. Second, yeah. Reverse, yeah. All gears.
Now,
All gears.
the critical thing we forgot.
Shut.
Which is probably why it made that noise at first. Fluid.
Ah, yes.
We're kind of stupid.
Yeah, you look at us.
At least we didn't do the test drive.
You look at us completely assemble an entire car from nothing. But don't think for 1 second we're not the
smart.
dumbest human beings to walk this earth.
No, we're pretty stupid.
Alright. We got a job to do. We got a job to do. Alright. Time to feel a 5-speed BMW. First gear. Wow. Insane.
What an improvement.
Oh.
Oh, what a different car.
Oh.
It works.
We did it. downshifting. Alright, take it right.
No, it does not downshift into first.
High RPM.